I'm out by the pig pen today and I just realized that we're running real low on my fermented grain feeds. Not much left in that bucket. So I was supposed to mix this up a few days ago, get a second bucket going, but I'm a little behind schedule. So I got to do that here. But shucks, we shouldn't have been that low so quick. I'm thinking somebody was going around spilling more of the feed, which probably is the reason why there's some kids' toys again in the pig pen. And why these piglets here look considerably fatter than those piglets there. Somebody's been giving them extra feed. So I gotta go mix up another batch of fermented pig feed, and this is how I do it. 50-50 mix of cracked corn and my whole oats with the husks still on them. These by themselves are a pretty poor feed for pigs overall, but once I ferment them, I significantly increase the protein and lysine content and make them much better for pigs. Makes them much more palatable and digestible for the pigs, and it's almost a complete feed at that point. So fill that bucket up with the 50-50 mix, just more than halfway. You can use an all corn mix if you need to. I'm using a 50-50 corn oats, and after fermenting it's going to work out great. Dollop of molasses in there. Full of water. Fill that baby right up with water. There we go. You want it to be floating, kind of like cereal in a bowl. Much more molasses in the top just to get it started. And there we go. It would be better if I put a lid on this. I don't have a lid for this bucket, so I'm not gonna. It'll work out all right. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna let this sit. It's kind of cool out here now in the 60s today, so it's probably gonna have to sit for about 5-6 days before it's good and fermented. Or if I bring it in the house, it'll be ready in about 2 to 3 days. This will feed my pigs for a couple days and keep them nice and fat and happy. Putting the molasses away now back in the shed. So fermenting feed for hogs, it takes these grains that are usually only about 80 to 90% digestible, and it makes them more like 95 to 98% digestible and increases the protein content that they have in them. So it makes a way for cheaper pig feed for folks like me who don't have a whole lot to work with.